while we have this vertical, I'm going to show you how you can also use it with the original twist stand. It fits. It's not a perfect fit, but it will fit if this is, you can finagle it, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to twist my pen twist onto the original twist stand, and you can slide that in there. You'll still be able to fit 9 pens on here if you want to, if you're going to leave this bottom part open. Or you can fit, I would say safely without anything touching, you could fit 6 and then lean the base on there like that, just so that it's not pushing on the stand. You actually could probably fit 9 in there since it's not pushing on that top part. But this will still give it the reflection and just maximize the light, the UV light on there. So many options with the new Magic Cure lamp from Resin Rockers and the twist and stand system.